Yes, sir. Yes, I'm excited. It is late. I just got out of work, just got out the shower. I haven't ate dinner yet. I said I eat dinner when I'm done. So I just got a fire package in today. Middle of the week, y'all told y'all I'm gonna start dropping videos back to back to back. I'm gonna try my best to get dropping back to back to back. If not, I'm trying to drop them best, like fast as I can, best as I can. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate it. Also follow me on Instagram at mac11.exe. I'm excited. I'm out of breath. I just got home. My packages came. I got 2 packages. Yeah, I thought this was gonna be just a Japan release, but Nigo looked out for everybody else. And he put this on his website, on Human Made website, and it was up for sale. I seen it. My heart was beating so damn hard when that shit dropped because it made people log in. People was thinking that something was wrong with the site, so I was freaking out because I thought I was gonna get this item, but I copped it. I got a W. I'm excited. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into this video. I'm gonna open this up, show y'all what I got, because I'm just staring at this box right now. I'm so damn excited. I'm gonna open one package up before I open up the box, and then we're gonna get straight to the big unboxing. So let's get to it. All right, so the first package we got is right here from Human Made. Come my address, so got a package, bam. Gonna bust the thing right open. I'm trying to open this and get to the next one. All right, I'm trying to be quiet because it's late. I don't know where my phone at, but it's late. So I got 2 face masks that I caught. I'm keeping these 2. I'm not reselling this time. So I decided to keep these face masks for myself and not give them away. So the one that I got, it's like the navy blue face mask with the duck on it. So you see that? I have B-roll of that. So yeah, I had to finally give me some face masks. They had like, I believe they had navy blue, green, and white. Yeah, those are the colorways they had of this. I decided to get navy blue. But yeah, I'll be wearing this, not to work, but out in public somewhere. But yeah, I copped this. Glad that I copped it. I got 2 of them again. And one thing I wish they did with this was the embroidery, where they screen printed it on instead of embroidery. So it's kind of lame, but screen print would do for now. And of course, you have the duck on there on this one again. So yeah, again, caught these 2 face masks. I was like, fuck it, they still up on the website. They ain't sold out yet, so I'm just go ahead and get them. So I got them. So yeah, I got my face masks. I will be wearing these when I go out. Like hang out with my homeboys, go out in public somewhere, I'll wear these, but it will not be worn to work. I got specific masks that I wear to work. Enough of that. Let's get to the main thing y'all came for. I'm gonna jump right to it. This video gonna be short, so let's get to it. All right, I ain't even opened this yet. I haven't even opened this box, and the white balance is way off. This is so bright. Look at that. There, right off. See that right off? All right. This is one of my favorite items that I got from Human Made. Besides that, who outside my door? JD? All right. I'm trying to be quiet. I ain't trying to be too quiet, but quiet enough. But I can't hold my excitement in, y'all. Fuck it. So, all right. So all my boys got this item. My boy Think Chink, aka Aaron, Passport Styles, and my boy Style by JP. Those 3 people, they all have theirs already. I've seen them on Instagram, posting on their story and on their actual Instagram post. I'm like, damn, I'm ready to get home, show mine off. I'm gonna shoot my video because my boy Passport Style, his video gonna be up before mine. So go check out my boy Passport Style video as well. Even though y'all seen the same item, go show my boy some support and hit that subscribe button. So. I ain't been this excited. I haven't been this excited. Oh my God. Oh my, it's so soft. Hell yeah, let's, Nigo. If you looking at this, if you listening, you dropped this at the right time, buddy. Right time. So I'm gonna show y'all what I get. And it's big as hell too. Boom, blow. Yes, I don't know if I can see all of it, but yeah, I finally got it, a Human Made blanket. I'm glad that I got this. All my boys got it again, and they got a little bit of details on here. Man, this is really soft. This is really damn soft. I have some B-roll for y'all, but this is what I got. It got the human made heart at the top as a sun, and it has some mountains in the background, and at the bottom it says human made. This remind me of Patagonia, if y'all know what that is. But yeah, man, look at this. Look at this. I'm walking around the house with this every damn night when I get home from work. I'm telling y'all, every day I get home from work, I'm wearing this just as soon as I got the shower. So anyway, so on the inside, it has a human made like buttons on the inside with a heart in it, details. I like it. So I guess you can fasten it up around your neck or whatever you want to fasten it up on so it can stay on you. So let's see how it works. Hold up. Yeah, there it is. But yeah, you got like this. What is this? Damn it. Hold on. Yeah, so you got this fleece material in the inside of it, which is really, 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 really thick. And on the outside, it's just so butter. So butter. So butter. Oh my God, if y'all can feel this, it feels like a damn, I don't know, but this is really soft, good quality. I really like it. I will be holding on to this as long as I can hold on to it. I will not be selling this no time soon. So, if you got this, when they drop, congratulations, and you one of the lucky few because these sold out. They ain't sold out fast, but they sold out with about 5 minutes, all on sold out. But yeah, I'm so damn excited that I got this. My boys, I'm glad that they got it. Again, check out Passport Styles. His video gonna be up, today is Monday, his gonna be up Tuesday, but this video gonna be dropping Thursday. So, I'm so excited, I know. Bro, just a blanket. Trust, if you feel this, you'll understand it. Plus, just been a fan of this brand, cause nigo have been dropping some quality shit, but there are some things that I would like to see from Human Made. That's in another video. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I don't know if it's gonna be a short one or not, but thank y'all again. I had to come home and record this straight from work because what time it is? It's 11:34, and I got other stuff to edit. I gotta edit my bro video that he has coming out. I gotta edit Sunday video. I gotta edit this video. I'm busy, y'all. I mean, I'm very busy now, but I like it. It keeping me creative. It keeping me motivated. It's pushing me to get better and better and better at every video. And one of my homies like, bro, your production quality is going up. Like, the shit is really good now from when you started until where you are right now. Trust, it's gonna get very, very, very better than what it is right now. Probably towards the summertime. Some things gonna change up on my channel, like what y'all see right now. Camera gonna be different. I'm making a new camera. Thinking about getting a Sony camera. Thinking about getting a Sony camera. The whole thing costs an arm and a leg. But anyway, I'm done talking. Just go. Y'all just have a good day. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna eat dinner. I gotta go smoke all that shit so I can get myself together. And I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.